In this video I'm going to be attempting to sleep inside my car directly outside a busy 24-hour McDonald's. I've brought no food, no drinks, so I will be going inside McDonald's throughout the night to get my snacks, food and drinks, all while being undetected. I've made a few minor changes to my car to make it extra stealthy. I've got the seats laid down in the back, I've got a bed made, I've got the windows fully blacked out. We're also going to be attempting to do some gaming tonight inside the car. Before we get set up, first things first, let's go in and get a coffee. Right, so we're sat inside now, got me coffee, and it's absolutely rammed. There's people everywhere. And back to the car in a second. There's the drive-through there, guys, and this is where I'm parked, and literally this here is the drive-through, so I'm parked right on the drive-through. So while it's still light, let me quickly show you my setup. So we've got my bed to set my laptop on. I'm going to be setting up some nice lights around the outside. Currently waiting for the right time to close all this up and black it all out. There's people sat in the restaurant and they can see directly into my car. I need to get it blacked out as soon as possible. I've got this that goes onto the front, that unfolds and goes there. I've made some window blockages, and I've also got one here as well. So that's the front blacked out. Let's get the window ones up. These are just magnetic, and they just stick on. It's time to put the final one in. Right, I need to get it at the back and make sure this is all blacked out now. So on the Jacob as well, we have a 360 camera, so we can see all round. So we've got the, oh my god, whoa, why was that open? Nightmare. Oh. Right, so we've got the car as blacked out as I possibly can get it. Now don't get me wrong, there's absolutely loads of gaps because some of the windows I've had to bodge up. I did buy the correct things to black out the car and I can't find them. I mean, let's be honest, I mean that's cardboard and there's gaps through there. I'm going to have to get that covered up a bit better, to be brutally honest, because that's just not going to be good enough. Yeah, I'm going to get all sorted, get everything all set up, and then I'm going to go in and go and get myself some food. The first snack of the night. They're going to be thinking, hang on a minute, hasn't he already been in? But that's the challenge I've set myself, so we'll see how many times I can go in. Might be once, might be twice, but I'm going to aim for a good few times. We'll see throughout the video. But I don't feel too stealthy right now, just because simply how many gaps there is in the windows. I just feel like people are going to be able to see me. Tell you what I'll do, I'm going to go outside the car with the light on and I'm going to see how much light you can actually see. I mean, look around my car, you can't see much light. You can see through that bit, and you can definitely see in that back bit there. So I need to get that covered. Can I have that in a takeaway bag, please? Is that alright?
Sorry?
Can I have that in a takeaway bag?
Yeah.
Sorry, I should have clicked on there.
No, it's okay.
Can I have a couple of sweet and sours as well, please?
Yeah.
Nice one. Leave no chip behind. Let's get this back to the car. And I think it's time to get the gaming PC set up and do some gaming. But we haven't got the most room in the world, but we'll make do. I went for a double quarter pounder, large fries, and it had to be sweet and sour sauce. If you haven't had sweet and sour sauce before from McDonald's, I'm afraid you're missing out. And I'm going to use this to block the windows up a bit more. And it is quite cramped in here, I won't lie. Once we've ate, we'll get the game and laptop set up. We'll have a couple of games. Let's get this ate.
Title? Father is my unofficial title. It's what I've come to mean to the people of the Institute.
Unbelievable game Fallout.
I'll make this very simple. Where from you? That's a loaded question. What's been stolen from you? Institute property is not often taken from us.
I think I'm going to get myself a bit of dessert. I fancy a nice dessert. So the car park's all quiet now. There's the Mecca Bingo. There's McDonald's. There's an Uber Eats driver there. So we've got dessert. I went with an apple pie. I was going to get an ice cream, but I didn't fancy none of the flavours they had, to be brutally honest. And you can't go wrong with an apple pie from McDonald's. Oh my god, that is red hot. Woo! 3rd degree burns to the mouth. Wow. Last bite.
Find what you're looking for.
There we go. Here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and welcome to the interior of Alaska. I'm going to be camping in the snow without a tent for the next 3 days. Food. As much. I got the heat reflecting off this side wall, and make sure to check out the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of videos just like this. And if you want to see our newest adventures, make sure to click subscribe so you'll get notifications.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, not a bad sleep, to be fair. I mean, don't get me wrong, it was busy up until about 2 in the morning. After that, it died down. I managed to get some sleep. It is currently just after 5:15. I need me coffee, so I think it's only right that we go through one more time and get myself a McDonald's breakfast and a nice hot coffee. So let's go through.
Hi there, what can I get you?
Hey, can I have a double sausage egg and McMuffin meal, please?
You have a drink, would you like with it?
Can I have that with cappuccino, please?
Yeah, anything else?
That's everything, thank you.
Snickers and any cap, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's £7.19, please.
Tablets. Like that. Yeah, right. Thank you. Nice, spot on. Can I look at just a couple of tomato ketchups, please? Absolutely lovely, thank you. You have a fantastic day. Cheers. See you later. We've got the goods. The last McDonald's for a long time. Let's go and park up down the seafront and enjoy this. So I went for a double sausage egg McMuffin. It's now currently 5:30 in the morning. I'd have not long been getting in from town, about 10 years ago, and I'd have been waiting and craving for one of these to cure that horrible hangover. Does anyone else put the hash brown inside? I almost think it's a must. I normally get 2, to be fair. I have 1 inside, and then I normally have 1 just to eat. Shut that lid on. Here we go. Third bit of McDonald's food within 24 hours. And wow, it tastes so good. I've just realised they've got my order wrong as well. I ordered a double. They've only given me a single.
I have a double sausage.
When will McDonald's ever get an order right? Yeah, just check the receipt, like they've definitely charged me for a double. Oh man. I guess that's what I get for sleeping on the property. They're nice though. That was not a bad camp at all. I had good food. I had my laptop, so I could game and watch YouTube and Netflix, catch up on my series, and now I was about a 10-minute drive to this amazing view, eating a McDonald's breakfast on the seafront. Does it get much better than that? You tell me. Well guys, this is where the video unfortunately ends. I've had a lot of fun doing this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. But yeah, I'm gonna get myself home now. But as always, I will see yous on the next one. And sorry about the wind noise.